Hello everyone, welcome to Desilicious kitchen. Yesterday after a long time I made this Poondu Rasam. My husband was complaining of lack of appetite due to this hot weather. This garlic rasam brought back his appetite and he relished his food. This or traditional soup and there are so many varieties. Even in garlic rasam there are many varieties. After doing the tempering and cooking the tomatoes, I am adding the cooked dal and some hot water. Mix it well and bring it to a boil. Add some tamarind water, curry leaves and coriander leaves with stem. The stems infuse the aroma of the coriander leaves and curry leaves. Crushed peppercorn, garlic, green chilli. You are not going to roast any ingredients or add rasam powder. You've added salt, some green chillies, less spicy ones, a little jaggery. I've added crystal asafoetida. Try adding hing like this at the end to rasam. It takes the aroma to the next level. If you don't have, you can add 1/4 teaspoon hing powder. Boil and switch off the flame. Done. Enjoy. Did you like this video? If you did, press like, leave us a comment, share the video and subscribe if you haven't. Thank you so much.